Orchid Classes!
Hi there, everyone! Today, we're going on an amazing adventure. We're visiting a museum to learn about history, science, and art. Who's ready to explore?
We are.
Wonderful! Museums are like time machines that take us to different places and times. Let's get our tickets and head inside. Look at this, everyone! This is a T-Rex skeleton. Millions of years ago, dinosaurs like this one roamed the earth. Isn't that amazing? Wow! It's so big. Yes, Leo. Dinosaurs were some of the largest creatures to ever live on our planet. They were around long before humans. Now, let's move on to the next exhibit. Here we are in ancient Egypt. Look at this mummy. The ancient Egyptians believed in life after death and they preserved their dead as mummies.
Look at the hieroglyphs. What do they mean?
Great question, Polly. Hieroglyphs are a form of writing used by the ancient Egyptians. They used pictures to represent words and sounds. Let's see what else we can discover. Now we're in the science section. Look at all these cool experiments. Here's a display about electricity. Let's see what happens when we turn this crank.
It lights up.
That's right, Pingu. When we turn the crank, we generate electricity that lights up the bulb. Isn't science amazing?
Wow.
Let's try another experiment. Over here, we can see how magnets work. Now, we're in the art section. Look at this beautiful painting. Art can tell us so much about history and culture. What do you see in this painting?
I see a big, bright sun and lots of happy people.
Great observation, Coco. Art can make us feel happy, sad, or even inspired. Now, let's head to our final exhibit. Look at this, everyone. This is our solar system. We live on the planet Earth, but there are many other planets out there. Let's name them together. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Fantastic! The universe is so big and full of wonders. Who knows, maybe one day some of you will become astronauts and explore space. We had such an amazing time at the museum today. We learned about dinosaurs, ancient Egypt, science, art, and space. Remember, learning can be an adventure no matter where you are. Thank you for joining us on this field trip.
Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome. Don't forget to share what you learned with your family and friends. See you next time, everyone. Bye. Have a great day and keep exploring.